back, guys. Today we're riding to Equa and we've got a little mission, so yeah, we're gonna take some bikes to Equa today.
We will take Noah's bike, actually. Noah, shout out. We had some problems starting, but now we're on the road. Tjena! We have 30 kilometers to go. Hey.
Tjena.
So, quick stop at Rosa's. Picked up some ice cream.
She'll lie and steal and cheat and beg you from her knees, make you think she needs it this time. She'll tear a hole in you, the one you can't repair. But I still love her, I don't really care. When we were young, oh, we did enough. When it got cold, ooh, we bundled up. I can't be told, I can't be done.
Guys, we made it to Equa. I know the haters didn't believe in us, but now we are there. We made it to Equa. Little detour, little a few side quests, but we made it. First stop,
Church.
First stop the church, then grab a cheeky pint. Maybe you would never grab a cheeky pint. I would. We got a cheeky pint, 2 cheeky pints actually. This one is better though. It's really good. Got some nuts. Caleb got some nuts. Let's go, Equa.
Just be wanting everything right now.
It's really cold. Put on jackets. Okay, I don't know what to say. Sightseeing in Equa.
Equa?
It's better to feel pain than nothing at all. The opposite.
In the States, that's not true.
So pay attention now. I'm standing on your porch screaming out, and I won't leave until you come downstairs. So keep your head up.
Guys, our time in Equa is up. We are heading back now. It's 5:20. We will be back at 8 o'clock maybe, I would say earliest.
Might have some extra side quests though.
Extra side quests.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. Bro, anything can happen.
Anything can happen on a bike ride to Holzpiepenrunde.
But I'm ready for it.
He's ready for it. So we got some pineapple flavored soda. Tastes alright. Caleb got a beer flavored soda and it tasted horrible. Started heading back. So we've got 30 more kilometers to go. It started raining, it got colder and it's very windy. Yeah, but we will survive. We will have some fun and we'll make it back hopefully before 8 o'clock.
Let's wait till the first. Ready?
Yeah. We're almost in Skede.
How many kilometers total are we done?
Right now, I don't know, but at the end we've got 60 or maybe 70 even. 65, something like that.
That was like 30 miles.
More than 30 miles. It's like 40 miles. So.
Crazy.
Yeah. So we are at this hill where we biked up And that means we're almost in Schkede. And that means we're almost in Holzby. Are we hitting La Mossa?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, actually.
I guess, like, bro is completely soaked.
I'm already wet, bro.
I'm soaked, but I've got still got my jacket. Beautiful scenery.
For being part of our
Real talk now.
Basically, real talk now.
Let's keep it real.
Keep it real.
Let's cut straight to the chase. So basically, to make a long story short, cut it with a piggy bank. Cut it now, cut it now. Now we. This is like two turtles.
According to YouTube statistics, only 10% of my viewers are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind later.